Hello, my name is Rochelle Comito. I'm with Document Solutions out in East Texas. I'm the sales manager and partner out there, and I just wanted to give a big shout out to the virtual demo team up in Canada for their big assist with the Tyler Junior College RFP. The customer was originally looking at a Versant 280, but with John Hopkins' help and Lindsay's help, and that fantastic demo, they could not go back to a Versant after they'd seen that Iridesc. So kudos, thank you so much. Keep doing what you're doing. It was fantastic. I look forward to our next WebEx together.
Hi. A few years ago, I had the opportunity to set up a vendor fair in New Orleans for our agent owners. My strategy was to have a big screen TV live stream in from our demo room with none other than Rob Taylor, his bow tie, and the most current production machine. One of the agent owners walked over to the big screen and said, "What are you showing on here?" To which Rob answered him. He was taken aback. He's like, "Is he real?" And Rob assured him he was real. He then proceeded to show him how to quickly change for envelopes inside the production machine. The agent owner was blown away. Not only was he sold on doing this in his office, he talked to several other agent owners as well, because demos close deals.
I will never forget my first demo. We were working with this client in the Muskoka region of Ontario who was just frosty. Every question we asked was one-word answers. We could not bring this client out of their shell and actually open up and share anything with us. So we finally did get them to agree to have a meeting with us, and Catherine Brunn dragged me down to what we were then calling the Competency Center, and we cuddled up next to the Dell Optiplex PC. You got to remember, this was at a time when the standard issue Xerox laptop didn't have a webcam in it, so this was high tech. And we pulled up our PowerPoint slides and turned our camera on, and the change in this customer was just stark. It was day and night. They were a completely different person. We built rapport immediately. We found out all kinds of fantastic, interesting things about this account. We talked about the value of Xerox and ended up doing a pretty sizable deal with them. And that was it for me. Like, I was hooked. So the remainder of my time as an office specialist supporting Canadian agents, I was in the Competency Center all the time. When I became a virtual production specialist supporting agents in the US, I was a fixture in that room. I can't even count how many hours I put in on the V80 and the C75 down there. And as I continued on in my career, I got an opportunity to impact the direction of that capability and had played whatever small part I played in expanding that room, that capability from one room to two rooms, from agents only into a shared service. And then adding the production capabilities and a third dedicated demonstration specialist was just such a special thing to be a part of. And I have seen the impacts of this capability on my own career, my own earnings, my own success. I've seen it impact partners and specialists across the US and Canada. And I mean, thank goodness we had this capability when COVID hit, because it was a really important part of keeping the order engine moving for Xerox. We had wall-to-wall bookings all throughout the pandemic. And what a fantastic way to make sure that we're making a difference for our sales teams. And as for what comes next, what I would say is just buckle up, because we've got some big stuff planned.
Hi, my name is Heather Holliff. I am the Color Solutions Manager at Loeffler Companies in Minneapolis, and I was asked to speak to the efficacy of the virtual demos that Xerox offers through John Hopkins' expertise, and there are not enough great things that I can say about it. So I, of course, said yes. That being said, I was going to try to shoot from the hip and not have to read, but I don't want to miss any points, so bear with me. I'm going to read what I wrote down. Xerox and John Hopkins have the virtual model nailed down. It is very professional and well executed, and we have had great success showing our clients the production machines and the front end offerings virtually. We have been able to close deals through this process, and from the first step and the effectiveness of the pre-call and information sharing, as well as the expectation and demo flow, so that the sales reps who are attending understand the process. During the actual virtual demo, the level of knowledge that John has is beyond impressive. Hardware and software demonstrations are so thoroughly presented, and his ability to show the offerings from EFI have not only helped us increase our software sales, but also gives the client a level of comfort in knowing that Xerox has the ability to help them increase their offerings to their clients. John is also very well versed on how technology has improved over previous models that may have given clients concerns in the past. So thank you very much to Xerox and the wonderful support systems in helping us advance our production sales. Thanks a lot.
Hi, so here at Westex, our team has been incorporating the live streaming demo in almost every sales cycle. The demo specialist team does an excellent job of showcasing the technology and discussing the customer's current challenges and how the new solutions can help resolve this. But more importantly, what is it in it for you as a sales rep? Here are some of the benefits that we've been seeing that the reps gain from using this resource. So first is upselling your deal. When a customer sees a fully loaded Ultalink, fully loaded PrimeLink, they get excited and they start to ask questions and get curious. We've had many scenarios where we sold additional finishers, different options, and moved them up to a production just because of these reasons. Secondly, we enhance the sales experience for the customer. Live streaming demo is very interactive, very educational. It provides another touch point with the customer, and it allows the customers to let their guards down, maybe open up more, and new objections that can be handled on the spot. It brings additional value by not just talking about the brochure, the speeds and feeds, but really differentiate from what the competitors are doing. Demo teams had closed nearly 70 to 80% of our sales cycle, and it's been great. Live streaming demos can also be recorded. So if the decision maker cannot attend for any reason, you can send that recording after the meeting and touch base with them. This is for the new reps out in the field. Live streaming demo is a great way to learn the product. You can increase your product knowledge by sitting in on a few of these, and it really accelerates your training and increases the confidence when you're speaking about a product. I really encourage the rest of the reps and the agencies to adopt this, as it's been very successful here at Westex to win more business.
Hi, I'm Martin Bachand, Senior Vice President of Canadian Sales Operation. I'm here at St. John, New Brunswick, visiting our virtual demo room to support our sales organization coast to coast. You have had the pleasure of seeing some of the capability over the last 6 months through communication coming from the team here in St. John. So I have the privilege to see it live, and I want to share with you my excitement to see how strong and powerful the virtual demo capability through our virtual specialists can help support you and drive successful business in your day-to-day selling with customer. So I strongly encourage you to leverage the power of it. Quite insightful to see the strength, the knowledge base of the individual that are doing the virtual demo, and recommend that you not only leverage it, but that you participate into it through supporting and engaging the virtual specialists and preparing up these virtual demo in advance, and being present at the customer location when the virtual demo happens, and probably leveraging as well the technology that you have offhand through the virtual demo at the customer location. It is quite powerful. It is working out. We've seen an increase of usage, and the team has capacity to do even more. So please leverage it out. We're getting into finishing Q3 in September and Q4, so time to max this out and increase your sales. Thank you. Have a good day.
Hi, my name is Ann Battle. I'm a graphic communications rep in Texas, and I'm very excited to talk to you a little bit about my experience with Johns Hopkins and the Canada Demo Center. John and I have done a lot of demos from office units all the way up to Iridesk. The customer's feedback has been nothing but positive. They feel like they're there live. His knowledge of the product and the industry is so great. Plus, he'll actually bring cameras so they feel like they're there live. Plus, he prints out their job and he sends it back to them. It has made my life so much easier. It has made the customer's experience with Xerox as far as through the sales cycle wonderful. I can't say enough of them. And if you're not utilizing them, you should. They can make you a lot of money and make it very convenient for you and your customer. Thank you, John. I appreciate it. And I look forward to working with you in 2023 and showing a lot of demos.
Wow, 10 years, the live streaming demo room in St. John, New Brunswick. I can honestly tell you from experience, live streaming wins deals. I've utilized this resource since back when I was in direct sales, sales enablement programs, and now as a channel business manager in our multi-brand channel program. I know that for myself, I was very skeptical until I actually got in there and started utilizing all the tools and resources that we have to offer. We customize everything from software to apps to whatever resources is needed for your partners or your customers with no windshield time. This is something that if you're not utilizing today, you should really take advantage of this, because if I believe the stats are correct, usually 8 out of 10 deals are won utilizing this capability. Those stats are amazing. And that is what we want to talk about with our partners and customers. And I'm sure you do too. So cheers to 10 more years, and make sure that you book your live stream.
Hello, my name is Caitlin Wright, and I'm a production specialist for ComDoc and XPS. I have had the privilege and honor to host and support many virtual demos through John Hopkins and his team at the Virtual Demo Center. It is without a doubt one of the greatest tools in our tool belt in getting customers the access and ability to see our technology and be able to print samples and really understand the power of these devices that will change their business. Without this tool, I think it's newer to me since we had the COVID pandemic, but it really has been a game changer for us. I was a little skeptic of how this would work doing a virtual demo with clients, but being able to actually send files to him ahead of time, doing the pre-call planning, and then actually having the demo and being virtual and being able to offer information and really show the clients the power of what this type of equipment would do for their business and growing their mind share and also using it as a revenue center has been amazing. I can't thank John and his team enough for all the support throughout the years. Also, special shout out since we had our first demo, him and I together in 2023, and actually received a verbal on that demo call for a 280 fully loaded with full bleed capability. Thanks, John. Keep up the great work. Wouldn't know what to do without you.
I can't believe that it's been 10 years since the demo room first started. I was one of the first users of the demo room, did over 100 of them personally, had a great success rate. But back then we were doing job build, color by words, and print by Xerox with all the apps and different. Yeah, I gotta go back. Sorry, Rob.
It's okay.
Start again.
Yep, just go whenever you're ready.
All right. I want to congratulate the demo room team. 10 years. I can't believe it's been that long. I'd started off in the demo room. Okay. Had this and now not.
Is it making you nervous having me on?
No, Jesus, no.
Okay.
Although it would probably help if you take your top off.
Okay. Well, geez. I get that a lot.
Yeah, sure. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I'd like to congratulate the demo team on their 10-year anniversary. I remember when it first opened here in St. John, and I used the demo room heavily myself, did over 100 demos. Back then, it was pretty simple. We did color by words and job build. Print by Xerox was kind of cutting edge. watching Joe and John in the room now, I realize what experts they are. I wouldn't do a demo with the demo room and you're under plan. I'd get ready for an uncomfortable conversation. And if you overplan and you've used the demo room on behalf of the team, you're welcome. Anyway, congratulations, guys. It's been great watching you grow and what experts you are. That's it.
That's perfect.
You sure you don't want to do it again?
Nope, that's fine. I think.
Appointments around to make sure we could get to the demo room.
3.
No.
No. No.
What's the angry demo room about in time?
I totally did not tip. Aiden? Who'd you call?
Aiden. Professional businessman. Remember.
How Xerox can
Loud and clear.
Actually, I couldn't push my next appointment, so Xerox is bringing the demo to us.
Now that we have demonstrated how Xerox can help your business, are you ready?
Yes, we're very welcome to honor you to the new committee team.
Committee team?
I don't know, I love making up sentences.
You just love giving your mom a hard time, don't you?
Yep.
Actually takes control and actually use blah blah blah. Try that again. You gotta be quiet.
Oh.
Hi.
I thought you were gonna do 1, 2, and then.
No! You were just gonna snap!
Okay.
Okay, let's try it again.
Okay, keep going.
Hey, look up there, big dog.
Oh no. Oh, Ed.
Yes, thank you, Rebecca. I've seen enough.
I've seen it. 2, 3. Yep, getting into the zone.
Okay.
1, 2.
No.
I thought we were doing 3.
Love mobile workforce.
Okay, I'm ready to go. I had to move a couple of appointments around.
Great at it. I can't do it in front of it, right in the middle of the lap.
Show you how this.
Thank you for offering me.
Yes, thank you, Rebecca. High five.
High five. Oh, yes.
This is gonna hurt. Ow!
So good. All right, so what's next?
My name is Farah Pirwani, and I'm a client manager located in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. And today I'm going to share with you how working with Joseph Nixon and the live streaming demo team helped us win a new logo customer. This customer, they are a provincial governing body, and they provide accreditations and professional development to a wide range of positions in various sectors, specifically in government and academia. As mentioned previously, they've never done business with Xerox in the past, and their goal was to understand what Xerox has to offer as far as technology integration for a hybrid work environment that's also secure. We were able to demonstrate how our technology can integrate into Microsoft Azure, SharePoint, and the different types of reporting tools that we offer. We were also able to answer their questions around security and infrastructure. At the end of the demo, the customer was able to further develop their credibility with Xerox and not only trust our products and services, but also our people.
Hello to all agents across Canada, from Newfoundland to British Columbia. Welcome. I'm standing here in sunny St. John, New Brunswick in our brand new demo facility, and everybody's excited to be able to host your customers virtually. All the 14 virtual specialists want to be able to stream the latest video feed and live demonstrations to your customers across Canada wherever you are. This is great technology. We hope you all use it. Around me we have Connect Key, Solid Ink Technologies, the latest iMac. This will give you the competitive edge that you're looking for with your customer base regardless of where you live in Canada. So let's accelerate those sales cycles, everybody. Let's utilize the technology that's available to you in this demonstration room. And while you're at it, let's win a trip to Punta Cana. Look forward to seeing you and hosting you there. Have a good summer.
Hi BBE, I'm Edmund Collier.
And I'm Kathy Reynolds. Today we're here to showcase our new demo room, which consists of our new technology, the Connect Key, along with our software.
From here, we're able to do live demos for your customers to showcase the hardware, as well as the software solutions, such as Xerox Mobile Print and Connect Key for SharePoint. Take a look at the upcoming role play that we did for a customer.
Hi, I'm Donna Williston.
And I'm Joseph Nixon from Xerox.
Many of us use FaceTime, Google Hangouts, Skype to feel closer to friends and family. When we're researching a recipe, we jump onto YouTube and we look at tutorials from expert chefs.
When you're researching technology, wouldn't it be great if you could find brochures and spec sheets that could speak back to you and show you exactly how to solve your business problems?
Well, now you can. We offer live streaming demonstrations that you can view from the comfort of your office.
We're here to offer you an engagement that does away with boring presentations.
All you have to do is click on a link and presto, a dynamic, personalized experience where you can ask questions and see what matters to you.
You have too much to do already. So book a demonstration today and let us help you make the research process a little easier and more effective.
So you can get back to what you do best.
Hi, I'm Rob Taylor, Office Program Specialist for Great Lakes Midwest, and I'm here today with Jamie Morrissey, our Workflow Solutions Consultant, and Nancy Alain, our Office Program Specialist.
We're very excited to launch this demo room to you today, featuring our Office product line, including our new Connect Key technology.
In addition, we can provide live demonstrations on Xerox software offerings, such as Xerox Mobile Print and Connect Key to SharePoint.
Now, you're probably wondering how you can leverage this facility with your customers to close more business in the second half. So we brought in a few local executives and a Xerox agent owner to show you how.
Hello, Canadian agents, and you know what? Selling technology is what you do, and you're the best in the world at it. I know that for a fact. Utilizing technology, well, we're getting better at it. We launched the iPad app, and that's certainly going to change the game in front of the customers. But let me tell you about another technology that I'm not sure you're using. Some people are and some people aren't. But I want to make sure that everybody understands that this technology is here to drive your sales. You know, we don't have time to waste in all of the sales cycles. And if you can get a customer to see a piece of equipment in a demo, you know that you got a good chance of winning it. The problem is the amount of time it takes for you to schedule a demo, make sure the equipment is the right equipment, and whether you got to drive to a demo center or have it in your office, it can take up to a week. What if I could hit you with the demo right away? Finish your presentation on the iPad, and then let's schedule a demo right now. And that's what we've created here in St. John, New Brunswick. We've created a competency center, which is the virtual demo center. And it's been utilized by all the reps across North America. Canada is late to the game, but I want to crank it up and make sure that you guys are using it. As I look around this room, we have all the technology you need to demo to your customers. The 5325, the color cubes, the C75, J75, the D110, the 570, the 5855, the 7855. We've got it all here for you to demo. And I'll tell you, with WebEx and the team here, your virtual specialists, they can show the customers exactly what they're going to see. They have video cameras, they can zoom in on exactly what you want, they can open the device and show exactly what you need. And I'll tell you, the thing that it buys you is time. You show that you're a technology company and you can do it fast. So instead of waiting a week to schedule a demo, let's do it this afternoon. Heck, let me call my virtual specialist right now, and I'll see if we can do it in 10 minutes. Mr. Customer, do you have 15 minutes? I'll get you online. You can see the technology. You can ask all the questions you want, and then I'll put the contract in front of you. So, another tool for you. I want to see everybody using it. I'm going to be getting a report, and I'm going to put a contest on the line for the first 15 reps that do these demos in Canada from the time this video airs going forward. I'm going to put in a draw for a $500 gift card. $500 for doing your job and doing it well. Good luck. Thanks very much, and I'll see you on the screen.
Okay, I'm ready to go. I had to move a couple of appointments around to make sure that we had enough time to get to the Xerox demo room. So, I've got an appointment at 2 o'clock. Let's go.
Actually, I couldn't push my next appointment, so Xerox is bringing the demo to us.
How are they going to do that? I just confirmed with the Xerox rep this morning.
Yeah, we called Son an hour ago. He's on his way.
Hey folks, how you doing?
Hi.
Hi, Abby? Hi. Kendall?
Hi.
Hey. Aiden, how you doing? Good, good. I'm just going to dial in the folks at the demo room in St. John, if that's okay?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Whatever.
Can you see and hear me okay?
Yes, loud and clear.
Kendall, Abby, Aiden, I'd like to introduce you to our virtual specialist team, Edmund Collier, our inside workflow solutions consultant, and Craig Clark, he's our inside office program specialist, and Rebecca Hateman, she's our managed print services specialist.
Hi.
Hi, everyone.
Thank you all for meeting with us today. As we discussed in our last meeting, there were 3 criteria that you wanted us to cover. The first being technology, the second, solutions, and the third, services. Was there anything else that you wanted to add?
No.
Great. So if we can demonstrate these items to your satisfaction, would you be ready to go ahead with the order today?
Well, this video stuff is great and all, but I have to physically see the equipment in the Xerox demo room.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You can't see the equipment? It's right there. I'm ready, Son. I'm ready too. Son, I have a large mobile workforce. I need to be sure my employees can print from a mobile device. How can Xerox help me with that?
Great question, Aiden. Edmund is going to demonstrate our mobile print solution. Go ahead, Edmund.
Thanks, Sean. Xerox Mobile Print will give your staff the ability to print from any email-enabled mobile device, giving them more flexibility in how they print. Aiden, would you happen to have a mobile phone with you today?
Yes.
Great. Find a document you would like to print and send it to canmobile@xerox.com.
Okay, Dad.
Okay, within a few seconds, you should get a reply confirmation with a code that's specific to you. Can you read that code to me, Aiden?
Confirmation code is 861070.
Okay, so I'm going to hit the mobile print button. Enter your code into the mobile print queue prompt. So 861070, and I'm going to hit enter. As you can see, Aiden, your job is in the queue, and if I go into print settings on the device, you now have the ability to make some modifications to your job. Based on the options that you see here, is there anything you would like for me to do with your print job?
Yes, stapled, please.
You want it stapled? No problem. Stapled. Okay. And I'm going to select your job, and I'm going to hit print. Okay, and here's your print job on the tray. As you can see, it came out stapled. Does this meet your mobile printing needs, Aiden?
Yes, thank you, Edmund.
Our IT department receives a lot of calls that require on-site service. On average, they take about 3.5 hours. How can Xerox help with that?
Hi, Kendall. That's a great question. What we're going to do now is show you how your IT staff can manage and support any ConnectKey device remotely at their desk using Centerware Internet Services and our Xerox Remote Control Panel. Centerware Internet Services allows you to manage your device remotely using the machine's IP address. You can check the status of the machine, including toner levels, make changes through the Properties tab, or control the user interface for training or troubleshooting. This will give more time back to IT. Would you agree?
Yes.
What about my HP and Dell printers?
Great ad, Abby. Rebecca is going to demonstrate how Xerox can help you manage your print devices as well. Rebecca?
Great, thank you, Sean. You'll recognize this backdrop as the current state map you provided us. I'm going to layer the technology first with the multifunction devices and then with the desktop fleet. And as you can see, all of a sudden the map became very busy. Part of our strategy was to reduce the number of devices in your fleet as well as to use the space in a more mindful way. We've measured your floor map and now you can see with this deep circle indicating a 10-meter radius around the printer. And as you can see, there is redundancy. Part of that was factored into our future state redesign. Here's how it looks. To recap the Xerox solution, we've overviewed some technology that will truly support ABC initiatives, the Connect Key portfolio, mobile print enablement, and managed services. These solutions bring you greater cost management and control, and over time we will work with you to continually improve and optimize your fleet. Combined, these solutions can bring you 23% savings. So Abby, does this help you to see how we can manage your Xerox as well as your HP and Dell printers?
Yes, thank you, Rebecca.
So, we were able to demonstrate Xerox's technology, solutions, and services to your satisfaction. Would you agree?
Yes.
Now that we have demonstrated how Xerox can help your business, are you ready to move forward with the new solution?
Absolutely. I'm ready, Son.
You know, I don't know if you could tell, but I was pretty skeptical of all this video stuff. So, after seeing what I've seen today, I only have one question.
Yes, Kendall?
Where do I sign?
Hello to all agents across Canada, from Newfoundland to British Columbia. Welcome. I'm standing here in sunny St. John, New Brunswick in our brand new demo facility, and everybody's excited to be able to host your customers virtually. All the 14 virtual specialists want to be able to stream the latest video feed and live demonstrations to your customers across Canada wherever you are. This is great technology. We hope you all use it. Around me we have Connect Key, Solid Ink Technologies, the latest iMac. This will give you the competitive edge that you're looking for with your customer base regardless of where you live in Canada. So let's accelerate those sales cycles, everybody. Let's utilize the technology that's available to you in this demonstration room. And while you're at it, let's win a trip to Punta Cana. Look forward to seeing you and hosting you there. Have a good summer.
Hi, my name is Joseph Nixon, Inside Office Program Specialist for Xerox Canada. And today I wanted to take a few minutes and talk to you about a few of the many new features with the Connect Key 1.5 upgrade. The first feature allows your customer to change the position of the service icons on the user interface. And it's as simple as going to Centerware, Properties, and Display. And this allows you to make sure that your customer's icons are showing up in order of importance. So for instance, if I want online support, I'd have to scroll down to page 2. So maybe I want to move that up to the top because that's something that's important to me. Or maybe I have single touch buttons that I want to make sure that they're the first things that you see when you go to the user interface. This allows your customer to simplify their processes and make sure that they see what they want to see firsthand. The external keyboard feature allows your customer to easily plug in a USB keyboard into the device to make onboard scanning solutions like network scanning and scan to email easier, and they don't have to type in one button at a time on the user interface. After the keyboard is plugged in, the customer can easily type in an email address or rename a document, making the process an easier experience and giving your customer more time back to their day. Another improvement of the 1.5 update is that we've improved the lag that we were getting by hitting some of the service icons. So if you remember, and I'm sure some of your customers have mentioned this before, when clicking on buttons you get that time bar that comes up that seems to last forever. So now with the update, the user interface has been improved, and when you click a button, it goes right into the application. Another feature that's been added to the 1.5 upgrade is the online support in the print driver. So we all know that we have the online support on the user interface, we have online support through the web-based on Xerox.com, and now we also have the ability to access the online support through the print driver. So this gives the customer a lot of flexibility on accessing any helpful tools or how-to pages or error codes that are going to prevent them from doing any type of job. Another option we have is whether we're printing from a USB or printing a saved job, we now have the ability to choose whether we want to print that in black and white or color, giving the customer more flexibility and also helping to reduce costs. So those are a few of the many new features with the ConnectKey 1.5 platform. For more information, please check out the ConnectKey 1.5 interactive brochure. And don't forget about some of the other features that are great, like Mopria, which allows you to not only now print from an Apple device with Apple AirPrint, but now with Mopria we also have the ability to print from Android technology as well. Also we have EIP 3.0, which gives us more flexibility with solutions. And we have the App Studio, which is going to give your customers a lot more flexibility on what they're going to do on a day-to-day basis. So check those out. I hope that helps, and have a great selling day, folks.
This one actually prints in 6 colors. I can print in any one of a number of colors so that I can make things happen. You guys want to come across, feel free to hit. If you make things happen with this piece of equipment that is extremely different, then I'll give you guys go ahead and look. Okay? I can create my own set of colors. I can get in there for a second. What I've got here is I printed my tag, cyan to yellow, and then I put a silver underlay, so I made my own metallic palette.
I hope you'll enjoy the time, especially this hour. So with our demonstration room, we have 3 of them, and John and myself run all 3 of them. And essentially we demo everything from hardware, which you would think of when you think of Xerox a lot of the time, like copiers and printers and things like that. But also we offer a lot of solutions too. So everything from apps that you can put on your devices, solutions.
When I think of John Hopkins and the virtual demonstration team, I think of one thing: success and closing deals. Over the past 2 years, I've had about approximately a 75% close rate when utilizing John and the virtual demonstration team. Without John, we would not be nearly as successful on the team that I support from a production standpoint. Thank you, John, for all you do, and I look forward to a great 2023 working together as a team as we have in the past 2 years.